Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Bedsure 100% cotton gauze blanket. This is a blanket that you can currently get on Amazon for about $57. It's going to be a 100% cotton muslin 4-layer blanket. And this is really a type of blanket that is going to be a thin material but remain very warm and comfortable as well. But the reason why I bought this, as you see, is I recently purchased a Japanese Shiki Butan and Kaki Butan futon set, as well as tatami mats. I've done multiple videos on that. That's not the purpose of this video. But the issue with the Kaki Butan, or it's like similar to a US duvet cover or duvet, is that it's very thick like a comforter. And so really it's tailored towards like winter time period when it's colder and you need something thicker, but it's not great for when it's like 90 to 100 degrees out. And so as an option for kind of the summer months, I decided to get this Bedsure blanket. And so what we'll do is we'll just unbox this, show you what it looks like, and kind of get a sense of what it feels like and kind of its thickness there. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the Bedsure gauze blanket or muslin blanket. It's going to be 4 layers, 100% cotton. I think I went with the white color. I was like playing with getting their forest green color, but I believe when I ordered it, it was out of stock. And so I ended up kind of playing with the idea of teal versus white, and ended up, I think, buying white because everything else is white. The box is a little bit hard to open. So this is what comes in the packaging. As far as color options, they've got white, beige, gray, dark green, and teal. Yeah, I went with the white, and so we'll just open. So it's, I'll fully open it up. But it's going to be like a thinner cotton blanket. This is the queen size, so it's 90 by 90, which should be the right size for my Shiki Butan setup. And so as you see here, it's a very thin blanket. It's a very thin material. However, it is very, very soft and comfortable. It has 4 layers of cotton, so it's going to be more durable as compared to like something thinner or like a throw blanket. What I'm going to do is just kind of throw the Kaki Butan on the side and get a sense of the sizing. I might have it flipped the wrong direction, but it is essentially the perfect size for the Shiki Butan setup, and it's drastically thinner than the comforter, and so it's much more like airy and much better for the summer months. And so a lot of the reviews says this is really, really comfortable for summer time period, either if you have a floor bedroom setup or a traditional mattress. And this is what the blanket looks like. I'm actually very impressed with the quality, and I'm super excited to sleep with this because I've been sleeping on a yoga mat, and then I transitioned to only the tatami mats, and I finally got my bed today. So I opened this blanket really because, one, it's hot and it's summer, but I haven't had a blanket, and I wanted to do this video to review it. And so that's all we have. This is the Bedsure gauze muslin blanket. Definitely a good option for summer months, either on a traditional bed or a floor bed. If you purchase through futon beds from Japan, it does come with a Kaki Butan that's much thicker and warmer, so you do have to kind of figure out the summer months as well. So I'd probably recommend this, but I'll try it over time and see if I run into any issues. But thanks for watching, and have a great day.